guys, in this video we will be making a distance sensor. So I hope you enjoy and watch till the end, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, and let's get on with it. First of all, take your breadboard, the main brain of your circuit, and most importantly the receiver, the sender, the Arduino Uno board. Then you need your ultrasonic sensor, which is this. Okay. Then you need some jump cables, which are these. Then, just like last time, you need 330 ohms resistors. I would recommend something below. Then I have some assortments of LEDs. I have one red LED, 2 yellow LEDs, and 3 green LEDs. So, and last of all, the data cable is this. Now let's start building it. First of all, take your breadboard and take your ultrasonic sensor, which is this. Okay. Now there are 4 pins to this. Okay. There are 4 pins. Okay. One says VCC, and the second pin says trigger. The third pin says echo, and the last pin says grid. Yes, GND, which means negative. Okay. VCC means you need to apply 5 volts. Okay. And trigger and echo pins are your digital pin connectors. Okay. And the grid is your grid, which is your negative. So I'm going to plug it like this. Plug it to here. Okay. It sort of looks like this. Okay. Remember the pins. Okay. Remember the pins, where they are and where they are. And now we need to connect our LEDs. Okay. We need to connect our LEDs. Okay. This is how I'm going to connect them. So you take your LEDs and the anode and the cathode. Cathode is the negative and the anode is the positive. Okay, remember that. And you need to put, because I don't have space, I'm going to put it to this back row. You need to put it, move this aside so you can see better, and then put it to one of these negative pins on this negative rail. Okay, one is put, and I'm going to put my red. Green LED. Then what you want to do is, when you finished connecting your LEDs, you take your 330 ohms resistors, which are these. Okay, which are these. Now connect them to your LED lights, to the anode, or the positive side of your LED. and we don't need these two resistors anymore, so I'm going to get them out of the way. And now our main electric circuit is done, so 80% of it. Now we need to take our jumper cables. First, did you remember we put our LED's cathode to our cathode rail? So I'm going to put one black wire to represent as black, and I'm going to put to one of these grid pins. You can see one of these grid pins right here. I will show you with the picture. This pin. So our negative problem is now done. Now we need to connect our rest of our lights to the respective positions of our Arduino board or digital pins. Connected, and our LEDs are input into their respective digital pins. Now for the ultrasonic sensor. First of all, we need to put our VCC, which means 5 volts. We need to give that pin 5 volts to our 5 volt pin in our Arduino board. This pin isn't the longest pin I have. Yes. There we go. And we need to put our trigger pin to digital pin 12. That's not enough. You can change it in the code if you don't have the length of your like cables, jump cables. And our last pin to the grid. It's this pin, number 2. Not the best cable management in the world, but I have to work with it. Okay. Now we are done with our main circuits. Okay, I'm going to remove these two because we don't need them. And this cover. Now I need to upload the code now. Now let's get on with the code. So because our main circuit is finished, this is what's going to look like when it's finished. And please, when you're building something, please check your digital pins connections if they are right or wrong. Now I take my data port and plug it in. So guys, this is the code. First of all, you want to do is check if your digital pins are connected to the right spot. Okay, now I did made it for a 7 LED setup. I couldn't do it because the power wasn't enough, and I have to went with 6. So first things first, put your trigger in 12, echo in 13. Then when you come to LEDs, the same, you put the respective LED digit number. And to change how the LEDs light up, the distance which my cursor is pointing at is the thing you need to change. If you want to be closer, if you want to be farther, you can change this number and just add until it's to digital LED 6. Okay, so that's it for the code. Now I'm gonna verify it to see if anything is wrong or not, and nothing is wrong. So before you upload, go to tools, go to your board, select your board of your type, and then select your port and then upload it. Because I don't have my board up installed, it shows a error, uploading error, because there's nothing to upload it to. So now I'm gonna upload it and show how it's going to look like. So now I am done with the code. Now I just need to verify it to see if anything is wrong or not. No, nothing is wrong. And then I'm going to upload it. And uploading is complete. Now we can show you the distance sensor. I'm going to move my hand closer and closer. One green light and the second green light, the third green light, and we are moving to yellows. First green light, yellow, second yellow LED, and when we are too close, the red LED lights up. Okay, and we take our hand further and further away slowly. The red LED goes out and the second LED goes out, and then the third will go out and the fourth will go out, the second will go out, and the last LED will go out when my hand is in me. Now let's turn off the lights and show you up close and how it works. Well, we made a simple distance sensor. So, I hope you enjoyed and watched till the end. And don't forget to hit that bell button to get notified on my upcoming new ideas for Arduino Uno. So, see you in the next video. Bye.